Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today we're going to be designing my dream home in The Sims. And this is part 2, so yes, we're getting into this. Funny story, my game actually crashed last time I was the last part, so I had to rebuild everything again, so it might be 100% accurate of how I done it last time. So without further ado, let's just get into this. Okay, so we're in our game now, and as you can see, we're going to start off. I want to get like the kitchen done, but like when I was looking, I was kind of thinking maybe it might be too big of a kitchen at the minute, like what it's looking at. Like, I mean, I figured that might be too big, so we might cut the kitchen, or this room, in like here, and do the kitchen around this area, snug, dining room, living room, just so it's kind of, I don't know, I just prefer that, like, you know, and then have more storage, kind of, you get it? So that's, so I'm just gonna like get into it and start doing it. Let me put the grid back on because I like to know exactly what I am doing. So I'm gonna get a wall, and I want to like maybe have, see, I know, see here, okay, let me just get the entry, okay, so, because otherwise I'll get confused. So I know I want an archway. Like, maybe how long of an archway? No, that might be too big of an archway. Okay, so I've done a bit of, you know, free construction there. So I kind of just put in this little glass box here because my idea is to put like a tree or something in the middle of it, so like it kind of like brings in natural light to like these spaces in here that like might be a bit darker. Also, I kind of put the kind of entry to like the kitchen stuff here. So you come through, there'll be like a piece of art or like a mirror or something there. You'll come through, and then the kitchen will be over in this area over here. Like, it'll be a nice, generously sized kitchen, not too big, like a nice big island in the middle here. A little seating area. I'm gonna put in like a door in the middle here, just so you can enter onto like the thing, whatever. Or I might just, let's just pretend that these are the sliding doors, so they all slide over, open. Just keep that, like, let's pretend that's the thing in this house. And I done the kind of curved arches because, you know, this is the Georgian part of the house, like this middle section here, and I put these windows at the front because I just really love these kind of windows, because the front is going to look like this, and it's going to be like that kind of a mix in between all throughout. I might even change all the windows to something like that, to be honest, depending on how we go, you know. So yeah, that's going to be like this, like the formal entry here, and I might do like another kind of non-formal entry like over here, just, you know, because you need that different ways to get out of the house. So then we're going to do the kitchen now. So let's go over to the kitchen, and I choose our like cabinets, whatever. So I'll probably do something like this, like just clean white kitchen. Why is this? It's like hovering off the ground. No, it's because I put it inside the wall. Yeah, at the minute I'm thinking white, so like in here it's gonna be like the walk-in pantry. So like I might, yeah, and then I'm gonna do like shelving, some open shelving mixed with cupboards, just so it's kind of like, you know, a bit interesting, you know. It's like some shelves all along at different heights along here, and then like in the middle here I'm gonna have my stove. So maybe like here I'll have my like cooker. So let's find our cooker first. Okay, I really like this cooker here. So that's a contender. Okay, we have this one here. Now see, I don't like that one as much. No. Definitely need to find like a hood that looks good. A hood that looks good. Wow. Or we could do this kind of one. I like that one. Okay, but then see, it needs to be like somewhere more central. Oh, we could do it in the island. Yes, we're going to do it in the island. Yes. Snap, 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 snap. Okay, now here I want to get rid of these two and put in the drawers. Yeah, I like like that. It's like kind of symmetrical and like balanced, and it's all good. Now, I mean, yes, this is annoying, I know, but do we want to go with them kind of, that kind of hardware, like this, instead of the other ones? I kind of prefer, oh, see, I like the kind of modern handles on this one, like on this one, but like I prefer the kind of way the island kind of flows, waterfalls at the edges with this one. So we might just go with this one, you know, just to keep it consistent, you know? Okay, it's coming together, you know, that's our beautiful kitchen. We might change the color of the cooker. We could do like a blue, something like nice and colorful, you know, because we are beside the beach and all. And then maybe do that like kind of, could do a black one, that's kind of interesting. We'll come back to all them kind of details anyway. But now I need to get my cupboards in. Okay, so now I have the kitchen done. It took me a second to figure it out, so I didn't record the process of it. But I'm really liking how it turned out so far. I have like under cabinetry lighting and everything. I have the island put in, sink, oven, and then in here is going to be like where there's going to be like a dishwasher and everything in here, and like, you know, microwave, coffee machine, all that kind of good stuff. So I'll do that like off camera, but because that won't be entertaining to watch. And then, so I'm going to move on now to like doing the flooring and doing the wall coverings, and then doing my little area over here. I want kind of just like a little seating area, just so, you know, if you wake up in the morning, and when I wake up in the morning and having my morning coffee, I want to, you know, be able to like, you know, sit on the couch and look out on the ocean and my beautiful view. So yeah, and now I need to figure out what like stools I want to do, because they're really, ooh, these ones. Okay, never mind, I figured out the stools I want to use. Is that like too much stools? No, that's fine. I might get rid of the two last ones. Oh no, that's too little now. See, I don't like how like little of a gap. Oh, let me push them closer actually together. No, it's not gonna let me push them closer together. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And then I want to put some overhead lighting in as well, so we should probably do that now, just to kind of get out of the way and done and dusted. Because there's some really good like options that we could do. Love these. We could do two of these. Like, that's kind of cool, but I mean, does it fit in with the style of the kitchen really? Let's leave them there for the time being. Like, I really like the LED kind of effect of them. I think they're really nice, but there's a lot more options as well. We could do two of these kind of hanging ones. We could do two chandeliers. No, I don't like them at all. We could do like two of them. No, actually never mind. We could do two of these. No. Oh cool, you can get them at different heights. I might actually do two of these, or maybe three of them. Let me see. I kind of like the idea of doing three of them, but maybe changing the color of them to like a grey, maybe black, like to match with the stove and everything. But we're just gonna leave them there for a sec. I wish I could change like the shade, like the light shade on them, but I can't. So yeah. Okay, well I know I want to do paneling in here, so let's just get that going. Do I want to do the full room? It's very dark, isn't it? I mean, not gonna lie, I kind of like it, but I might do it in white. Oh, isn't that just like so beautiful? I mean, I feel like there might be too much going on here now. Like, I mean, I might change the color of the sink. I want to get the flooring in actually, and yes, I definitely want to do this kind of herringbone kind of chevron style flooring, but I'm obviously going to change the color because it's not going to be that color. I kind of like that. I like it's very like relaxing, that color, I feel. It's kind of like an oaky kind of a color. I like that. Yes, just girls. Isn't that just the cutest little seating area like ever? Also, like, definitely gonna be doing like some beautiful wall art in here because, you know, gotta look amazing. I mean, that's my dream house. It's gotta look the best house ever. I definitely want to do like curtains on. I don't know, maybe do I want to do curtains? I love like the mix. I love how like it's so like, you know, formal and elegant and kind of luxurious looking, like with the, and then kind of traditional, and then you have this big massive just clear glass window. I just think that looks so cool. Like, don't you think that looks so cool? Wow. I'm just like shocking myself here. Oh, so we have some good like curtain options if you wanted to do curtains. Well, they'd have to be like way bigger than that. Not taller. I wonder if there was like single ones. Probably not. Just shutters. We could do like could we do shutters on the? No. Let's not get too carried away here, James. You know. Let's not get too excited. Oh, I'd love to do like a couple of trees like in here. Cause like we have the space for it. Like it's big. That looks so cool. I love that. Oh yeah, 100%. That's what we're doing. Or could we do a different tree? No, I like the scale of them. Let me see if we can change the color of it to a darker green. Yeah, I like the darker green better. Oh my god, that looks so cool. That looks so good. Okay, I want to put a rug over here now as well. Okay, I can't find a perfect rug, so I'm gonna have to go find one online, download it, and then put it into my game, because I don't want to put anything in that's like not like perfect, because this is my dream house after all. It has to look how I'd want my dream house to look. And I don't want my dream house to look anything less than perfect. I'd love to do like a little tea set or something over here, like a little, let me see, decorations. Let me find decorations. So I'm gonna figure this out and I'll come right back to you, okay? Okay, so we have the kitchen like fully finished now, which I'm obsessed with. I changed the lighting above the island because I just wasn't like loving the one that was there. Not loving this one either, but like I think it's an improvement, like it's better. So I just added in these kind of like beams that go across the top, just so like, you know, the lights have something to support themselves, because otherwise it just wouldn't be realistic. And then like I also kind of done up here a bit, like kind of the entry way and all that kind of good stuff, and putting some rooms up here and over here, but we'll get to them in the next part. This part is the kitchen, dining room, and maybe the living room if we get time, but you know, we'll see. So I want to get into the dining room now. I put in the wallpaper. It's like this really deep navy, which I love. I'm just going to continue the flooring straight through, just so for like consistency or whatever. But yeah, so let's get finishing this. So first things first, obviously I'm just going to put in some lights, spotlights just for a second, just so we can see what we're doing, because we want it to be bright. Yeah, we want it to be bright, so like I'm just gonna, okay, so let's find a dining table. So let's go to dining room, dining tables. Okay, so we could do something, no, Ryan's like, that's way too small, way too small, no, way too small, way too small. It's probably not gonna be a dining table that's like big enough, so we're gonna have to like merge two dining tables together. See, I feel like that's more interesting, like the legs on it is more interesting, so we might go with that, although there is some clipping kind of going on here, which is annoying, but you know, we won't see it because we're just gonna be taking pictures of it. Oh, let me see, do we want like, ooh, do we want to go with like a lighter timber again? I mean, that looks nice. I kind of like, but like, oh, no, see, it kind of clashed with the floor a bit. I feel like we need to either go like high contrast, or like somewhere in the middle. I mean, that could be cool. It kind of fits in with the grey in the kitchen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that one. Well, I'm gonna go with this one for the time being, and then we'll probably change it again, more than likely. So this is gonna be like a grand dining room. So let's find our dining chairs. guys, so I've done my little table setting. It's very dark, this space, but like I kind of like that. It's like very formal dining kind of a space. It's not meant to be, you know, casual. Like this is where you dine casually, you know, at the bar rather than countertop. But like I'm really loving this. I think it just looks really good. If I do say so myself, I mean. Talk about vain, but they're cool. I mean, I feel like that's getting like too. No! Don't hate that. I put them like over this side. I mean, I feel like am I just building a forest right now? Like, cause maintenance. I mean, how hard would that be to maintain like a bush like that? No, I think. Oh, I kind of like that. I mean, for maybe a themed event, that would be cool. Like, I have a lot of plants in this house already. I mean, I kind of like that. Like, it kind of gives me something. Oh, can I see through here? Like, I think that's kind of cool. Oh, I think there's too much greenery. Let me just get rid of these. Just like that. Get rid of them. No. Let's just come out of this section completely, wherever we are. You know what? Actually, I just had an idea. Okay, where's decorations? You know the mirrors that we've seen here that were like leaning against the floor? Well, what if we brought these up and rested them on here, like that, on each side? Okay, so that's the dining space done. Kitchen and kind of hangout area done. Well, I mean, I need to get like a little circular rug for here, but I'll find it on the internet and download it. I also have the pantry done, so like there's like 2 bins, like recycling, coffee machine, microwave, 2 fridges, fridge, freezer, then like some more storage. Really open shelving, like, you know, for like flowers and stuff like that, and like, you know, all your goods. And then the kitchen's like so beautiful. Next episode, sitting room will be getting done, as well as like studio and my master suite, which is up in this section over here. This is gonna be like a little cinema room, or maybe a gym. I don't know yet. I'll see how I feel. Or maybe I might do the gym above the garage. That could be interesting. Yeah. So we have the entryway kind of here. I only have like the first floor kind of. Over here. Wallpapered at the minute, but you know what? There we go. Now, so in the next part we'll do all of that. So on that note, guys, I'm gonna say goodbye to you now. I know. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know all your thoughts down below. And also before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that little notification bell, just notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.